Wow, it's water circulation with Mr. Kirkland. Surface water circulation is when the water in the ocean is primarily driven by surface winds. Winds generally blow from areas of high atmospheric pressure to regions of low atmospheric pressure. We're going to simulate that today by creating a model to represent the Earth. First, we need a couple cookie sheets, and we're going to label the cardinal directions to use as a reference. North, south, west, and est. East and west.
Oh, east? I thought you said west.
Next, we're going to add in our water, which will represent the water on the surface of Earth's oceans. Water covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. The next thing that we're missing is our land masses. My brilliant students here have been asked to place a variety of rocks and minerals on the cookie sheets to represent the land masses found on Earth. We have some fossilized seashells, which we have decided to call the seashells, some quartz, which we have named Crystal City, some iron ore, which we have called Iron Town, and a chunk of marble known as Marbleville. The flow and the direction of water are difficult to see without the help of some visuals, so we're adding some oregano to the cookie sheets to help us see and track the circulation of the water on our model of Earth's surface. We also added a boat just for fun, and because this is science class and for dramatic effect, we lit it on fire. Anyways, out of the view of the camera, I have placed a fan. The oregano can be seen starting to move as I turn the fan on. Watch areas swirl and move as the water starts to circulate around and next to the rocks and sides of the pan. Try to follow one piece of oregano and see what direction it follows. Can you predict where it will go next? We wanted to create several different examples, so we decided to move the rocks in various patterns and arrangements to find new water circulation patterns. Notice how the water can move in clockwise or counterclockwise directions. Coastal winds can be seen as the oregano flows around the edges of the pans. You could draw a simple diagram or a map of the water and islands and draw arrows to show the movement and circulation of the surface currents. We wanted to change the placement of the land masses a few more times to see if we could change the flow of the water and change the circulation. You can see here some different patterns in the water. What changes can you see? Some students were invited to add wind from different directions using straws and some lung power. Did it change anything? Talk about it with a friend.